want to inspire women to treat themselves like royalty, like they have power, they have a voice, and I would want to be the voice for everyone. People really started treating me differently. It wasn't just about being like this fun, spirited person. I really labeled myself as a queen so that I can start feeling like I deserved more, because I knew I deserved more. I'm a musician. I love music. Music powers my soul. I want to own a performing arts studio in the future. And I don't want to just have a performing arts studio where you have to be a performer. I want to have a studio where people can come and actually like record music, or they do their artwork, or they model there, they have fashion shows, they express all of their talents. Hopefully one day I will be able to give people that opportunity. I just want to make everybody happy. And that makes me happy.